In this video we show you how to insert a SIM card into the HTC Wildfire. First of all, take the device, turn it over, insert a finger into the recess up here, place your thumb in the centre of the back panel and pull with your finger to release the back cover. Now gently remove the cover and put to one side. There are finger inserts to clip the battery out either side and pull out like so. Bring in your SIM card. It may be for a different network, but insert into the device under this metal plate. Remove by pushing from behind and then pulling out like so. The SIM card must go this way round, so insert under the metal plate and push back. Reinsert the battery and replace the back cover, then switch on your device to begin using.